This is the motor I want to get in this saw. I'm going to have to rebuild that all the way, you know. I'll show you where I'm looking at putting that. But you'll see, these things have to be wrapped, and that gets covered with so much fine dust. I mean, I blew this thing out for about 10 minutes. See that dust that gets in there? Well, these are the motors. We go through these motors like insanely quick because they're not totally enclosed. This is what's called a totally enclosed motor. This fan pulls air through the motor, but no dust can go inside. So here. Let's see. Stay where I want it. Okay, I'll hold it up. So this motor will be put on this arm like that and move with this so the pulleys will stay the same distance apart. Now I gotta get this metal out of my way because I'm gonna have to move it back so I can get the cantilever adjusted out properly.